So we've said this before, but we're going to say it again because it's important, and we're going to keep saying it a few more times as well. When we have a conditional, unlike all of our other ways of combining statements, in a conditional, the order of the statements matters. If P then Q is true except when Q is false, well, P is true. If Q then P is true, except when P is false, well, Q is true. The order matters. In a biconditional, the order still doesn't matter. Either both statements are true or both statements are false. So let's just kind of experiment with putting some statements together with if-then. If we have the statement P, Ellen does the homework in the class, and Q, Ellen's final grade will be good, we can write three conditionals or biconditionals with these statements. If P then Q, we can say, if Ellen does the homework, then Ellen's final grade will be good. Right? That's a straightforward if P then Q. If Q then P, well, that would be, if Ellen's final grade will be good, then she does the homework. That sounds really weird in English, right? It feels weird to have something in the if part that happens in the future. So maybe in English we could just kind of push this backward in time and say something like, if Ellen's final grade is good, then she must have done the homework, right? From a truth value perspective, that means the same thing, right? It means Ellen's final grade being good, but her not having done the homework is impossible, right? It's impossible that Q is true while P is false, but it sounds more natural to say. What about the biconditional? What about P if and only if Q? Well, P, Ellen does the homework. If and only if, her final grade will be good. Again, that sounds weird in English. In a biconditional, the order doesn't matter. So let's see how this sounds if we flip the order here. Q if and only if P, that'll be Ellen's final grade will be good if and only if she does the homework. That doesn't sound as weird. So why is it that this sentence and this sentence sound so weird? Well, in this story, we feel like it's probably doing the homework that causes Ellen's good grade, right? We feel like there's some sort of causal relationship, and it runs in that direction. It's not that she's getting a good grade and therefore she does the homework. She does the homework, and that causes her grade to be good. That's our intuitive sense of these if-then statements in English. We think that one statement is causing the other. So if the direction of the conditional violates our expectation for what's causing things, we use like weird word constructions like she must have done the homework. So her final grade becomes not the cause of her doing the homework, but the cause of our knowing that she did the homework. So conditionals in English often have some implication of causation. That's not the case in logic. All that the logical statement is telling us is that there is this visible relationship between the truth values. We can see that this happens, but it's not necessarily causing it. Q being true is evidence of P being true, not necessarily the cause of P being true.